Okay, so I've got this FCS hat, the Creek Crew Cat, and I had this set up on a trucker hat, and it was pretty stiff. The rim was the visor part, but when this is a Hero 5. When I put it on on the trucker hat, it was pretty stiff. I could hike with it. I even paddled with it. But to go in the surf, I wanted to wear it on this hat. This thing is a lot heavier than the Sessions. There's a lot of play in this. It flexes. There's the mount. All right. So I wanted to stiffen this up so I could still have the strap, have it on there, and be able to support the weight. So I found this little mixing bowl at the hardware store, and so it works perfect. It's the right radius. It actually fits right inside. You can see it fits right there. I'm actually going to put it on the outside of this. So there it is, all done. The reinforced Creek Crew Cat. Yeah, it looks fine. Nice, and it works great. I'm going to take it out in some surf session soon.